Namaste and welcome back to my channel. This is Arnika Pavan Dongre and you're watching Arnika Blog. Today I'm not sharing a tip, a quote, a motivation, a business related video or a movie. Today I'm going to tell you a truth that one should took me a years to learn. So it's all about the word that is no. Such a small word, right? But for some of us, it's hardest thing. It is hardest thing to say no. And I want to share with you that with me till the end, because this story, this movement might be just be one of that finally which helped me to be free from the negative people too. So now I was chrononized by people to say yes. Always I was trying to say yes. Let me be real with you, right? As you all know, we are a family. First of all, thank you so much because I have got 23 subscribers and I'm very grateful for this thing. I personally think that now I feel like yes, my family is growing a bit, but I'm very grateful for those who have all subscribed me, and please do like, share and subscribe to me, and we'll grow ourselves more with this journey of documents, right? I understood to say yes every time. I will say yes, I will help you. I will say yes, I will adjust it. Yes, I am okay. Even when I was tired, stressed out, or feeling uncomfortable in that situation, but because I thought if I say no, people would leave me. I thought saying no made me selfish, rude, or ungrateful for that thing. So I tried to become nice. That's availability for one. The people pleasure, right? And for a while I felt good. I was liked. I was needed. But deep down I was lost somewhere. I was like, why? If I am not want to do that thing, but I said yes. Forcefully doing the things में कोई मतलब नहीं आता bro. The height of saying yes is like here what nobody's tell you about. Always saying yes. Why we say yes? You start betraying yourself. See, you can cancel your plans. Why you should cancel your plans for others? You slow your own opinions. Why you should decline your opinion expressions? Like, if I'm saying yes to everyone, where are my opinions? Where are my decisions? Where are my choices? You ignore your own mental health. That is very wrong, right? And I built it. One day I missed something very important for someone who did not even say thanks. Like, अगर आप किसी की help करते हो ना, the opposite side से you think that at least they should say a word called as thank you. Another day I agreed to something that made me really uncomfortable. But the worst thing was I started feeling like a guest in my own life. I was living for everyone except myself. And that when I realized this isn't a kindness, right? This is the fear. This is a psychological barrier in my mind. अगर मैंने yes नहीं बोला तो वो मेरे को छोड़ के, अरे यार तुम छोड़ के चले जाओ, कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला है क्या? If people leave you, you can connect with another people with positive center, positive vibe people, yeah. Where this fear came from? Now, basically, you know what? Saying yes when you want to say no comes from your childhood, from conditioning, from being told To be good, do not agreed. कैसे ना फील आता है जहाँ पे आपको येस बोले तो यू आर गुड गर्ल, येस बोलोगे तो यू आर रिस्पेक्टफुल टू अदर्स, येस बोलोगे एडजस्ट करना. अरे यार कितना एडजस्ट करोगे आप लोग. हाँ, वेर यू टॉट द वैल्यू पीस more to be or your boundaries be. But let me tell you something very powerful, and this is not कि सब आपको बताते बैठेंगे, नहीं. दिस इज मी, जो मैं आपको ट्रांसपेरेंसी बता रही हूँ. यू नो व्हाट आई फील लाइक, कि जो मेरे कंटेंट है ना, जो मैं खुद हूँ, मैं खुद एक कंटेंट बन चुकी हूँ सम टाइम. बट वेन यू ओपन द बुक, आई फील लाइक आई एम अ बुक. सपोज आई एम दिस बुक, you will start reading me. आप एक एक पन्ना खोल के देखोगे ना, you will get the reality of your life. So something is there. Okay, there is a peace of mind that cost your dignity is not a peace. Okay, kindness without limitation turns into self doubts. I had to break this pattern from myself because I believe that, see, आप अगर कोई हैबिट या फिर किसी पैटर्न को अपने अंदर इंक्लूड कर लेते हो, then you need to understand where is your pattern, what is your pattern. If you want to change, how you will change it, right? And trust me, this is not easy at all. But when we decided ourselves or our life, so we can do it. For the first time I said no. Let me share this moment with you. I said no and everything changed. Someone asked me for a favor and I did not have that energy or time for. Usually I used to say yes, but this time I used PER technique, which is pause, evaluate and respond. And I said to that person, I am absolutely sorry, I cannot show up right now because I am busy with my own work. I was sweating in my head, but I was so pondering into myself like, wow, pray, what happened? But what happened? You know what happened next? Nothing. The world did not stop or did not end. They said, okay, fine. And I realized I built up this fear in my own head. I said there is two types of fear in your life long. For example, let's take this book is Earth, and from this Earth you rotate. There is only two types of fear. One is your psychological fear and another one is your biological fear. Nowadays, psychological fear is more, but the biological fear is not at all. Okay, biological fear means if someone is going to hurt you, kill you, that is, kill you, hurt you, damage your body parts, just like biological. किसी ने उंगली तोड़ दिया या कुछ हो गया, आप गिर गए, आपको लग गया, खून निकला, that is all biological. But psychological fears होती है कि overthinking हो गया, saying, kind of now I'm not a student from that medical field, तो मुझे वो terms नहीं मालूम है. बट हम लोग जब सीख रहे थे ना, हम लोग बजाज फिनसर्व के इसमें सीख रहे थे ना, तब उन्होंने बताया था 2-4 सब, जैसे स्ट्रेस हो गया, डाउट्स हो गया, सेल्फ अनहेल्दी टॉक्स हो गई, हेल्दी टॉक्स हो गई. दिस ऑल आर योर साइकोलॉजिकल fears, right? It was all in my head. Then that one no made my space for myself to do yes. This is what I can also say no to other person. How I fitted, what are the step by step, let us talk about it. I started taking small decisions, right? Decliningly slow, having low risk to build confidence. I practice phases like I am not available right now, but I will be there afterward for you. I appreciate the offer, but I will pass it on. That does not work for me. I'm so sorry. I have some plans with someone else, or I am busy somewhere else. I stop over explaining my stuffs to others. Now, अभी कैसे होता है ना, कभी कभी आप लोग डिटेल देने लग जाते हो कि क्यों नहीं कर सकते हो आप. व्हाई यू हैव टू गिव एक्सप्लेनेशन टू ईच एंड एवरीवन ओवर देयर, राइट? You know you cannot do it. Don't need to explain anybody what is going on. And a no does not feel like saying easily. I generalize every day what I have done. The time of saying no, and I celebrated it. I remind myself saying no is not rejection, it is protection. आप मुझे बताओ, यू आर हैविंग योर एग्जाम नेक्स्ट डे एंड योर फ्रेंड कॉल यू एंड टेल कि चल भाई अपन लोग एक काम करते एक मूवी देख के आते हैं. क्या ही होएगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तेरे 3 घंटा जाएगा. 3 घंटे में तो यू विल बी लाइक माई गॉड, आई हैव टू डू रिविजन, आई हैव टू टेक आउट द नोट्स, आई हैव टू समराइज द स्टाफ. How you will say no to that person? So it happened with me. So I just tell my friend कि यार I am so sorry, हम लोग जो है ना विल सी मूवी नेक्स्ट टाइम बिकॉज आई एम हैविंग माई ओन एग्जाम एज वेल एज आई हैव टू डू माई प्रिपरेशंस एंड माई पेरेंट्स विल नॉट अलाउ मी टू कम टूवर्ड्स यू. तो एक ये आ जाता है, बैरर आ जाती है कि नहीं बोल दिया ना तो बस बात ख़त्म हो चुकी है इधर. ओके, आई एंड द रिजल्ट वॉज आई हैड more time, more peace in my mind, better relationship with other people, and most importantly, I have a self-respect now. What I gained by saying no. See, saying no helped me to protect my energy first of all from the extra stuff I have done. Overworking नहीं हुई है मेरी, मतलब मैंने नहीं बोला ना तो ये होता है कि हाँ चलो एटलीस्ट वो जो डेडलाइन है या जो प्रोजेक्ट मैं कर रही हूँ मैं उस पर अपना फोकस कर सकती हूँ, अपने काम पे फोकस कर सकती हूँ. फोकस ऑन व्हाट मैटर्स मी अ लॉट, व्हाट आर माय प्रायोरिटीज ऑन द टॉप लिस्ट, लाइक 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, ये 5 है तो ये 5 करके रहूँगी मैं. यहाँ पे आई डोंट वांट एनी कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस. बिल्ड रियल कॉन्फिडेंट, देन attract people who values the time, not the toxic people. My relationship became stronger. People who only liked me when I say yes disappeared from my life. इसमें ना एक चीज़ होती है, रियलिटी टेस्ट होता है आपके लाइफ में कि जो पीपल आपके अराउंड होते हैं वो लोग कितने अच्छे हैं और कितने मतलब डबल साइडेड है. You get to know about the people, what they think and what they wants from you. जब तक आप उनका काम करोगे आप बहुत अच्छे हो, और जिस दिन आपने उनका काम करना मना कर दिया ना उस दिन आप जब उनके रियल कलर्स देखोगे ना, दैट टाइम यू अंडरस्टैंड हु इज़ योर रियल फ्रेंड्स, हु आर नॉट योर फ्रेंड्स. दे आर जस्ट यूजिंग यू फॉर सम पर्पसेस. ओके, दे स्टार्टेड रिस्पेक्टिंग मी मोर एंड आई फाइनली स्टार्टेड लिविंग माई ट्रूथ, नॉट समबडी एल्स एक्सपेक्टेशंस. मैं अभी मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे आई हूँ, किसी और के एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे नहीं. आई एम नॉट अ रिमोट इन देयर हैंड कि यार कर देना, लाइक तुम मुझे कंट्रोल करो, ये हो ही नहीं सकता. अब आई अंडरस्टैंड, आई रिस्पेक्ट अदर्स फीलिंग्स, बट देन आई अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाई आई एम लिविंग फॉर अदर्स और व्हाट. आई हैव माई ओन लाइफ, आई हैव माई ओन प्रायोरिटीज, आई हैव माई ओन टास्क टू डू. सी, if you are someone who always say yes, if you are in your heart is tired, like you're tired of everything now, your calendar is full, your soul is fully empty, then hear me now. Okay, you do not have to prove anything by burning yourself out. Why you have to prove कि यार okay fine I will take your work, I will take. अरे क्यों लेना है भाई, अगर आपको कर ही नहीं रहा है, आपकी इच्छा नहीं हो रही हो करने की, just use the sandwich method where you will say first one is positive statement, then your assertive no, and then again a empathic sentiment. So this will help you out. ये also this also have learned in CBFI Finance Bajaj के प्रोग्राम के अंदर. तो it was a good experience for me. And okay, let's back to our topic why we are saying no. You do not own everyone's time. आप मेरे को एक बात बताओ कि आप आपके लिए कब टाइम निकालोगे. इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग देयर वर्क, इफ़ यू आर डूइंग देयर जॉब, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू टेक योर ओन जॉब, आप आपके लिए टाइम निकालना स्टार्ट करो. एंड सेइंग नो डज नॉट मीन्स यू आर बैड, इट मीन्स यू आर ब्रेव. Sometime in some situation you have to say no if you don't want to do that task, but it does not mean that you are rejecting that thing. You are rejecting the thing, not the person. You are rejecting the idea, not the person. You are rejecting the overwork that they are going to give you, not that person. So please keep in your mind that you are rejecting this stuff which you really don't want to do, but you're not rejecting that person who is giving to you that thing to work on. You have that rights. Saying no to drama, saying no to overwork, saying no to the fake friends, and this is very important for your peace of mind. If you have seen my short term vision and long term vision video, please go and see that. You will understand why I'm saying these terms. Saying no to anything you does not align to your peace, own peace. Now, in every situation there will be challenges, right? Challenges is a part of your life where you will go, it's a kind of hurdle, you know, like it's a race. और उस रेस में कैसे हडल्स होती है ना, कभी जंप करो, कभी नीचे से जाओ, कभी टेक राइट लेफ्ट एंड देन गो, देन जंप इनटू द स्विमिंग एंड दैट ऑल स्टफ. Okay, here are challenges for myself. This week, saying no to something you really don't want to do, respectfully, kindly, but firmly. You have to take the action. You have to say firmly no's to the people or the things you really don't want to do, because it will, you know, ज़्यादा जब पेशेंट होते हैं ना यहाँ पे स्ट्रेस, तो आप कभी कभी ना सेल्फ डाउट में चले जाते हो कि मैंने ये लिया ही क्यों था, कि मुझे ये करना ही नहीं था, फिर भी आई हैव टेकन दिस इज़ वर्थलेस, टाइमलेस होएगा, आपका टाइम वेस्ट होगा, बाकी कुछ नहीं. एंड टेलिंग मी हाउ यू फील अबाउट इट. प्लीज़ share and subscribe to this channel. And lastly, let's break this pattern of saying yes to everybody. If you are saying yes to everyone, so please just stop it. आपका जो इनर पीस होता है ना, मेंटल पीस, इनर पीस, उसका थोड़ा ध्यान रखो, बिकॉज हर बार येस बोलना इज़ नॉट गुड एंड हर बार नो बोलना इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट गुड. यू हैव टू से नो इन assertive patterns. You have to, there are two techniques. One is assertive no कैसे बोलते हैं, and one is PER technique, which I will discuss in some other video, not right now. So that's all for today, and once again I would like to say thank you so much जिन लोगों ने भी मुझे सब्सक्राइब किया. थैंक यू. आप लोगों की जो ना एक फैमिली बॉन्ड हो जाती है. I know this is digital platform, but digitally bond is also very much important in our personal life as well as in professional life. Once again, thank you. Bye bye. I'll see you in next video.